My stomach just growled so fucking loud, I hope no one heard that.
Shave it? No.
We did- Well,
Love yourself now.
these things happen. Thanks, Adam. What is this? Oh. What? Okay. Hi! Oh, I didn't even know you could do that. Was that your stomach? Wait, you guys could hear that? Oh my god. Okay, after I kill these dudes, I'm probably gonna end and eat dinner. What time is it? Oh, it's only 8:30. Not too bad. Let me see. God, my stomach just growled. We heard it? Oh my god. I don't want to talk about that. I'm not even hungry. It's just being annoying. She needs soup. I do not need soup. Oh, God. Oh, my stomach just growled so loud. Shut up.